Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to Abegi Swad, the channel where cakes are soft, Oreos are crunchy, and my self control disappears exactly when the whipped cream comes out. Today, we are making a super adorable, super chocolatey, and dangerously cute Oreo cookies and cream cake. This is the cake I made for Children's Day, and let me tell you, the moment kids saw these tiny Oreo creatures popping out of the soil, they forgot about their parents, their homework, even their names. It was pure chaos, but in a good way. So let's get baking before I eat all the ingredients again. Alright, first up, the sponge, where the magic begins. This is the kind of cake that makes you feel like a professional baker, even if your oven sometimes behaves like it's on summer vacation. Mix vinegar into the milk to make the buttermilk. Crush the Oreos. Please don't put the cream, the batter will get confused and so will you. In another cup, mix 2 teaspoons of milk powder and with half cup of warm water. Keep them aside. Now start by grabbing a big mixing bowl, the kind that makes you feel like a serious baker. Add 4 large egg whites followed by 1.5 cups of powdered sugar and beat them until they look proud of themselves. Pour in 3/4 cup of oil and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Then one by one add all the egg yolks. Mix it well. Add milk powder mix into the wet ingredients, followed by the buttermilk we had prepared earlier. Now for the dry trup, 3 cups maida, 1.5 cups powdered sugar, 2.5 teaspoons baking powder, 3/4 teaspoons baking soda, and a tiny pinch of salt. That pinch is mostly for attitude. Sift in the dry ingredients. Bring in the Oreo magic, 3/4 cup Oreo powder without cream, and a small spoon of cocoa powder because we want that soft cookies and cream brown, not full chocolate mode. Combine wet and dry ingredients. Don't overmix. The batter should look smooth, thick, and ready for stardom. Pour it into 2 pans and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 40 minutes or until your kitchen smells like an Oreo festival. While the cake cools down like a celebrity after a scandal, let's whip the cream. Once the cake cools, we make the frosting. Take 1 liter of whipping cream and 1 tablespoon vanilla. If you were using non-dairy whipping cream, skip the sugar. If you were using dairy whipping cream, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar. Beat till stiff peaks form, the kind that refuse to fall even if you threaten them. Now scoop out some cream and mix in 3 tablespoons very fine Oreo powder. This becomes your inner filling. Now here's a pro tip. If the Oreo powder is too coarse, your cream will look like it fought with gravel. So blend it as smooth as you blend your excuses when skipping the gym. Slice your cake layers, brush them gently with a sugar syrup made of warm water, sugar, and a drop of vanilla. Don't drown the cake, just hydrate it like a plant that has been ignored for 2 days. Spread the Oreo cream inside, sprinkle a generous fistful of crushed Oreos, and close the layers like a delicious Oreo sandwich. Repeat the layers and try not to eat everything in between. I failed, but you can succeed. Once layered, crumb coat the cake. This part always feels like wrapping a baby in a towel. Messy but adorable. Pop it in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, this is where things get fun. We are making my favorite part, the Oreo soil garden and the Oreo creatures. To make the soil, crush Oreos finely and sprinkle them on top. Not too early, otherwise the moisture turns it into mushy mud instead of soil. Add it at the end. Now comes the fun bit, decorating this beauty with the whole Oreos and those adorable pop-eyed characters. Smooth a blanket of whipped cream all over the cake. No need for perfection. Cookies and cream cakes have a naturally cute but chaotic charm. Now take whole Oreos and gently press them halfway into the cake border. Not fully, not barely, just nicely ढुकिए देबे, like you were tucking them into a soft whipped cream bed. For the eyes, take tiny fondant balls, flatten them a little and draw the eyeballs using an edible black marker. These little googly fellows bring instant personality. I put some Oreos on top, some on the sides, and the moment the eyes pop out, the cake goes from yum to oh hello, who gave you the right to be this cute? Always chill the cake for at least 1.5 hours before slicing. Add Oreo soil last, it keeps it crunchy. Whipping cream must be cold, neither frozen nor in normal temperature. Room temperature cream whips like a lazy Monday morning. Don't overbeat. If the cream splits, no amount of motivational speech can fix it. Store the cake chilled. Oreo cream cakes can melt faster than your patience during summer. And just like that, your Oreo cookies and cream cake is ready. Cute, fun, kid friendly, and honestly, adults behave like kids when they see it too. If you enjoyed this recipe, give the video a thumbs up, share it with your foodie friends, and of course, subscribe to Abegi Swad for more cakes, chaos, and delicious recipes. Drop a comment and tell me what cake or which recipe you want next because I am unstoppable. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.